Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. It's Mike here with Mike's Drones and More. So, as you can obviously tell, I don't have my voice back completely, but I am making a quick video for you guys. Ended up with a upper respiratory infection. So, not contagious anymore. I'm just fighting the voice coming back. So, this is going to be a quick video. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to show you how I've modded the Promark GPS drone and basically put on a small all-in-one camera with just a battery on the back here. And then what we're going to do is, unfortunately today I've got snow outside, so I can't test this today. I don't want it to fall in the snow and get all wet and nasty. But I'm going to bring the camera down here and show you what I've done so far. So hold on just one second. Okay guys, so here we go. So here's the modification I've made. So again, this is an all-in-one camera. I upgraded the camera on my Tiny Whoop, so I had this just kind of laying around here. And this battery is just a 7.4 500 milliamp battery that I had. And so all I did was just basically soldered on a JST female connector, and then the battery with the JST male connector. And then just use a little sticky tape to put it right on the front here, and then basically just plug it in like so. And then your little camera on the back, you should see a little red light depending on what yours looks like. Alright, so I tried my very best to position this in the center of the drone here. And so what I'm going to do is, and this is just a test, this is nothing permanent, so if it actually works, then we know you can drill like a small hole and you can make some modifications if you want, but I just wanted to test out and see if the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi coming from the stock Wi-Fi is going to interfere with the 5.8 FPV video. And then also we've got our action camera. So we're kind of testing three things. We're going to see how the action camera does with the FPV up on top here, and then also with the Wi-Fi. So they shouldn't interrupt each other because this is 5.8 gigahertz and that's 2.4 gigahertz. So the two should not interrupt each other at all. But I kind of just wanted to see if this thing will actually carry one more little item on it. Like I said, it's just a micro all-in-one camera. You can get these, you can pick them up for like 20 bucks. They're really super cheap, and I'll leave some links for you guys in my Amazon influencer account for you if you want to check them out. But that's basically all I did was just soldered on a connector, and then got one of my batteries that already had a JST connector on it. And then we're going to go ahead and test it out. Like I said, should have some better weather tomorrow that I can get out there and actually fly it around real quick, and we'll see what the FPV footage looks like. I did kind of point it downwards like this, so that way you can get your fan spinning, but also you can get a good picture of what you might be photographing, so you can kind of adjust your camera and such, whatever degree and angle that you want. So that's all I've done so far. It's nothing permanent that I've made changes to. Just basically, like I said, on the back here, I just used a small piece of Velcro, put it on here, onto the battery, and then just put the battery right on the back here. And then we're just going to plug it in and just going to see what the FPV footage looks like, how far of footage we can get. So I think we're going to get some pretty good, cool footage and things like that. So, and then, you know, maybe in the future, if you want, you can do an FPV modification to the stock camera. You know, I don't know how that's going to work exactly, or how to get it all wired up and everything like that, but this is just something basic to kind of test out. So guys, like I said, today I can't actually do the filming, but tomorrow and the next day we should have nice clear weather. Should be nice and warm. It's about, I think today I looked at my phone and it was -1 degrees this morning when I woke up. And it's been basically in the freezing mark all day long, so not really good conditions to fly a drone. You can, but I prefer not to, so that's just me. So guys, at the next part of this video, we'll take it actually outside and we'll fly it around and we'll see how everything works out. So hold on while I do that, and the next part you'll see will be me outside, and hopefully we'll get some cool FPV footage. Thank you. Alright everybody, so here's the flight test. I've got the FPV hooked up, the camera on there, so we're going to go ahead and lift it up in the air, and then we're going to see how this does. So hold on. So I am getting a little static on the FPV feed, and that could be a couple of different things. It could be from the brushless motors or the brush motors. It also could be from the Wi-Fi interrupting, but I am still getting a feed, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of float it around here in the back. It's kind of cutting in and out a little bit. So, but it's not bad. I'm going to try and tilt my, there we go. Okay. Again, normally an FPV racing drone doesn't have a Wi-Fi signal. It just has one signal. So that definitely could be causing a little bit of interference. But you're not going to be recording on FPV. You're going to be recording with the action camera. So, but it does lift it just fine. And I can actually see where I'm recording, which is pretty nice. So, yeah, it's not too bad. I'll spin it around a little bit. Spin it around. Don't have a great GPS lock, so it's kind of drifting. But all in all, the test does work. I am recording the FPV to an SD card right now. So when we're finished in the, after the production of the video, you guys will actually see what I see on the FPV footage. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the short flight here. I just wanted to prove that if we put a small FPV camera on here, it does actually work, so that's pretty good. So the only thing I'd noticed that the Wi-Fi was interrupting with the FPV signal. Normally when you're flying an FPV racer, you don't have Wi-Fi also at the same time, so that was something kind of a little funky there. But not too bad. So guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like my channel, the reviews, hit the subscribe button for me. And next to it, there's a little bell, just to let you know we have new videos. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every other Sunday we have our live Q&A. And in between that, every other Sunday we have our live Q&A for the patrons only. So if you can help support the channel, that would be great. If not, that's okay too. I don't mind. So thanks guys for tuning in. In the meantime, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air and flying high. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.